I was.
Yo era.
English-Spanish past of.
Ser.
Welcome. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your playful path to fluency. Thanks for tuning in. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and drills. Today you'll lock in the English-Spanish past of.
Ser.
I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, plural, they were, aka.
Yo era. Tú eras. Era. Ella era. Era. Éramos. Vosotros erais. Eran.
Your goal today. By the end, you'll say these forms confidently in real memories and mini-stories. We focus on descriptions and identities in the past, think childhood traits, jobs, or background scenes. When you describe what something used to be, reach for
Ser.
in the imperfect.
Era. Yo era. Tú eras. Ella era. Éramos. Vosotros erais. Eran.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, short and sweet. I was.
Yo era.
You were, singular.
Tú eras.
He was.
Era.
She was.
Ella era.
It was.
Era.
We were.
Éramos.
You were, plural.
Vosotros erais.
They were.
Eran.
Mini dialogue. Listen, then shadow the lines with attitude. A. As a child, I was shy. B. En español.
De niño, yo era tímido.
A. You were very curious back then. B. Say dice.
Tú eras muy curioso.
A. He was the captain. B. Correcto.
Era.
El capitán. A. She was the best in her class. B. Claro.
Ella era.
La mesure de su clase. A. It was Monday. B. Fácil.
Era.
Lunes. A. We were neighbors. B. Así.
Éramos.
Vecinos. A. In Spain, you were a great team. B. Con vosotros.
Vosotros erais.
Un gran equipo. A. They were inseparable. B. Tal cual.
Eran.
Inseparables. Call and response drill. Quick fire. I prompt in English, you answer in Spanish. I was the tallest kid.
Yo era.
El más alto. You were always early.
Tú eras.
Siempre punctual. He was friendly.
Era.
Amable. She was patient.
Ella era.
Paciente. It was a small village.
Era.
Un pueblo pequeño. We were classmates.
Éramos.
De la misma clase. You were, plural, the winners.
Vosotros erais.
Los ganadores. They were happy.
Eran.
Felices. When to use it. Here's the cheat code, description and background. Use the imperfect of.
Ser.
For traits, roles, time, and background scenes. It was sunny, she was kind, we were kids. For one-time completed identity moments, you'd use.
Fue.
But today's star is.
Era.
And friends.
Yo era. Tú eras. Ella era. Éramos. Vosotros erais. Eran.
Culture tip. A storybook phrase you'll love. Spanish fairy tales often begin with, once upon a time, as.
Era.
Una vez. That's your background scene marker, pure storytelling fuel. Think, it was a magical town.
Era.
Un pueblo mágico, we were brave.
Éramos.
Valientes. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. Translate. It was beautiful.
Era.
Hermoso. Translate. They were students.
Eran.
Estudiantes. Translate. We were neighbors.
Éramos.
Vecinos. Translate. Vosotros. You were the best team.
Vosotros erais.
El mejor equipo. Translate. She was very shy.
Ella era.
Muy tímida. 30-second challenge. Ready? Build your own tiny memory reel. Say 3 lines about your past using these exact English cues plus Spanish forms. 1. I was.
Yo era.
2. We were.
Éramos.
3. They were.
Eran.
Bonus points if you add one with you were, plural.
Vosotros erais.
Goodbye. You did great today, nice work. Quick recap. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, plural, they were mapped to.
Yo era. Tú eras. Era. Ella era. Era. Éramos. Vosotros erais. Eran.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, downloads, and new episodes. See you next time.